Did you know that over 40% of travelers experience stress at airports? I'm sure you've experienced your fair share, and I have too. Well, let's change all of that with some simple tips and secrets I'm about to unleash on you. Are you ready? By the time I'm done, you will definitely travel with more confidence. In this video, you learn how to avoid common airport nightmares and make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Stick around until the end because before I finish, I will share some secret tips that most travelers don't know about. A few of them are going to shock you. Yes, I promise you that. But first, let's mention the elephant in the room. Yes, I know this is a faceless channel, but the information I'm about to release is worth seeing my face. Yeah, we want to be face to face with this because it's that important. Okay, so we established that airports can be chaotic, right? With long lines, missed flights, lost luggage, theft, flight delays, canceled flights, and security hassles, among a lot of stuff, other things. These challenges can quickly ruin your trip and leave you feeling stressed and frustrated. Trust me, I get it. I understand. But missed flights, lost luggage, and unexpected delays are just a few of the many issues that can arise. And let's not forget about annoying long lines to airport security and crowded terminals that seem to be a part of every airport experience. From check-in to boarding, there are plenty of opportunities for things to go wrong. I know you agree with that. And if you're not mentally prepared, you could feel beaten as if you just walked through an automatic car wash. Am I talking to you? Are we here? We understand each other. Yes, and that's why you're here, right? So let's explore practical tips that will help you navigate the airport like a pro. First on my list of tips is arriving early. This is key to avoiding the stress of last-minute rush. Packing smart can also make a big difference, keeping you organized and prepared for any situation. Technology can be your best friend when it comes to streamlining your airport experience. The most crucial tip that can save you a lot of time and stress is how to effectively use airport apps and even their services for real-time updates. Many airports offer apps that allow you to check flight status, find gates, departure gates, and even order food. You can also use these apps to book airport services such as lounge access or fast-track security. Some airports even offer virtual queuing. Those are the systems that they use, which let you reserve a spot in the line for security or check-in. I bet you didn't know that. But let's dig a little deeper. Remember I promised you secrets, right? Let me give you the ones the travel pros use and most travelers don't even know exist. Secret number 1, you can bypass security like a diplomat. Did you know there are concierge-style airport services that aren't just for celebrities and diplomats? Companies like VIP Meet and Greet, PS at LAX, and even third-party services through airlines or credit card companies offer private TSA screening, personal guides through security, and even luxury lounges where you relax while someone handles all your bags. Prices range from premium to surprisingly affordable cost. Some even come bundled with premium credit cards. Look into these before you travel. You'd be shocked how accessible they are to anyone, especially if you're flying internationally or during busy holiday seasons. Secret number 2, hidden lounges that you can actually access. Forget what you heard about airport lounges being members only. Apps like Lounge Buddy and Priority Pass give you instant access to hundreds of airport lounges, even if you're flying economy. And here's the real hack. Check your credit card perks. Some cards quietly include free lounge visits, but they bury it in the fine print and you don't see it. It's worth making one phone call to your issuer, your credit card issuer, before your trip. Trust me, sipping a cappuccino in a quiet lounge while others fight for charging ports? Game changer. Secret number 3, pack a digital travel toolkit. One of the best kept secrets among savvy travelers is creating a digital emergency kit. In that kit, you're going to store digital copies of your passport, travel insurance, boarding passes, hotel confirmations, and even photos of your luggage in a secure cloud folder like Google Drive or Dropbox. If something goes wrong or missing, or if you're asked to prove your identity, you've got your backup in seconds. And here's a bonus tip. Take a picture of your parking spot if you drove to the airport. You'll thank yourself later. Trust me. And speaking of digital tools, I put together a digital travel bundle that includes everything I personally use to breeze through airport security. Even during peak chaos, it's loaded with video guides, checklists, 7-day itineraries to 5 different countries, airport acts, international planning audio with 16 modules, 250-page ebook to help you avoid travel disasters, and so much more. It's like having a travel assistant in your pocket. You can grab it anytime using the link in the description. Now, let's reveal more secrets. I know you're curious, and I'm not holding back today. I'm giving it to you. So get ready for secret number 4. Rebook flights like a ninja. Before the masses catch on, here's one of the most secrets that people don't know. When a flight is delayed or canceled, don't wait in the long customer service line. While everyone else is in line physically, open the airline's app immediately or tweet their support account on x.com. Airline agents on Twitter and app chat functions often resolve issues faster than the gate agent because they're busy, especially during peak chaos. Even better, tools like Air Help or Concierge can file claims for you if you're entitled to compensation. Set them up in advance so that you're ready when disaster strikes. Secret number 5, leverage invisible boarding groups. Here's a crazy one. You don't always have to board with your designated group. You heard me right. Some airlines allow pre-boarding for assistive needs or children under a certain age. But here's the twist. If you have anxiety, listen carefully, a walking boot, or any documented reason to request extra time, yes, even temporary, you can often board early if you just ask. Also, signing up for airline loyalty programs, even if you're not a frequent flyer, can bump you into earlier boarding groups. Don't sleep on this one. Remember, you heard it from here. Secret number 6, airport sleep pods, nap cabins, and free showers. Yes, they're available, and this isn't science fiction. Many major airports now offer nap pods or micro hotels right in the terminal. Tongue twister. Places like Minute Suites or Yotel here let you rent by the hour. Some terminals even offer free shower facilities if you just ask at the information desk or visit specific lounges. If you have a long layover or dreaded overnight delay, this knowledge alone can save you your sanity. Secret number 7, luggage tag tricks for faster retrieval. Here's a quick tip most travelers overlook. When you check your bag, ask the agent to place a priority or fragile tag or sticker, even if the contents aren't fragile. Bag handlers often load these bags last, meaning they come off first on the carousel. It's not guaranteed, but more often than not, it works. You can even do that yourself from home. Also, always put a distinctive marker like a neon tape or a bold luggage strap on your bag. It reduces confusion as well as theft. Secret number 8, find airport quiet zones. Some airports have designated quiet areas for passengers who just want to rest or focus, but they are not well advertised. But here's a hack. Search your airport's map on its official app or even the airport's website before your trip, and look for terms like wellness zone, quiet room, or reflection area. These are usually tucked away in terminal corners, and trust me, they are the best kept secrets and sanctuaries during a flight delay. Oh, and if this video helps you, you have to check out my video titled 105 Airport Secrets They Have Been Keeping From You. It breaks down even more secrets that travelers wish they knew sooner. But you're going to know now. And trust me, it's a must watch. Click on the top right or left of the screen, either one, to go watch it now. Most people settle for surviving the airport. Well, not you, because you know now what you need to look for. You came here to master it and become a travel pro, isn't it? Use these insider tips and you'll start traveling like a pro. Calm, confident, and 10 steps ahead of the chaos. And since you stayed on to the end, I have a free gift for you. It's my ebook titled Top 5 Travel Disasters and How to Solve Them. You need that now. You don't want to be without this one. You don't want to be caught off guard. The link is in the description. Go grab it now. It will help you. And now I want to hear from you. What's your best travel hack? Drop it in the comment section and let's build the ultimate secret weapon guide together. What do you see about that? And if you found at least one new trick today, give this video a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so we can keep unlocking travel secrets and you can know when I release them. Okay? Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video. I am your host, Cheryl, saying bye for now, but only for now. Go travel without the stress and grab the resources I have in the description. Take care now.